Paishali Jamatia, Rima Jamatia, C. Vishal Jamatia, Ravan Jamatia. Yes. And for solo dance, Anu Jamatia. And from spelling P, senior. From senior, Gary Jamatia. The students, all the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, to first edition of Nograi Mission English School Literary Week. So students, are you ready? Okay. Go.
I'm from Group 4. First of all, we should know what is mobile. It is a device which helps us in communication. Mobile save our time. Because in earlier days, people used to walk from here to far place to communicate with each other. But nowadays, we can talk in a limited time just by one call.
Mobile is excessive use of mobile also damages our eyes. Children get addicted to mobile with games. They used to spend their parents' money in the games without knowledge of their parents. And they also quarrel with their parents, always playing games. Thank you.
I'm from Group 4, and good thing about mobile, I'll try to say. Mobile is used for communicating each other and also used for, if you are suppose accidentally in a case, you can call police by the help of mobile.
Yes.
Few seconds or few minutes police, and you can save your life with the help of mobile.
Hello everyone, I'm from Group 3. Bad things about mobile. Children are watching phone and excessive bad things, watching bad things and always playing game, not having food, spending money and playing PUBG, Free Fire, asking their parents, and quarreling their parents. Father, give me phone, I want to play games. Asking their parents cannot afford, and at last they might do suicide or they will not eat food and they will die.
Respected judges and all my dear friends, mobile, nowadays in this generation, without mobile, can you all stay? Cannot stay now. We all know that mobile is like a friend now. Through mobile, we can learn so many things like, for this program, all of you have practiced for dance or songs, and through mobile, we can also do now some educated person who don't got job and just staying in house, sitting just useless. They go through some phones and they used to earn like through opening YouTube channel or doing some through mobile they're earning now. And phone is very useful to us because phone, when we are in trouble, just example, suppose we lost in amazing forest, just example, and we have phone, and we can use the phone and we can call to our relatives or police and we can ask for help. And now, phone is very good to us, and without phone we can't stay now. Then we should all have phone, but not in lower classes like in after matric or after educate you can use the phone. Thank you.
again, we know that phone is bad. Why? Because everyday using of this phone also damages our health. And if there is phone but there is no network, then we can't use it. And if we plant the towers, networks, birds, trees, we have to cut. Birds are dying because of network, because of radiation. All animals are dying. And every day of using this phone is also not good. Thank you.
No, let others speak. That's right. Everybody should get the opportunity to speak again.
Good morning once again. You know, mobile is too important because even the advanced country America, the president Joe Biden is also using mobile. Why? Because mobile is too helpful for human lives, and it's a friend to one. And it can save your time, it can save your life, and there are lots of profit on mobile, and you can update yourself with a mobile, and your brain will be always sharp. And what I want to say is, mobile is too good for humans' life. Mobile is too needed for human.
Which group?
Group 3.
Group 3. Group 3 and 4.
2 and 3.
Group
1 and 4.
Group